Hello students, today we will read B reading. Unit 1 B reading. Every success story. Success means what? Success means achievements, win or victory. You can say favorable outcome. Story is also the story of great failures. Failures means lack of success. You can say defeat, loss or breakdown. Okay. Now, this lesson is an interesting essay. A reading was a biography. Okay, this lesson is an essay written by Shiv Kher. Shiv Kher is an Indian author and well-known inspirational speaker. Shiv Kher's essay consoles the people who repeatedly get failures. And it gives us hope to continue the efforts till we reach the goal of success. Okay, let's start. Failure is the highway to success, Tom Watson sir said. Tom Watson sir was the president of international business. If you want to succeed, double your failure rate. If you study history, you will find that all stories of success are also stories of great failures. But people don't see the failures. They only see the one side of the picture and they say that person got lucky. He must have been at the right place at the right time. Now, so many people usually get disappointment with the failure they face in their life and they stop trying there to reach their goal in disappointment and give up their effort. Keeping this incident of the failures because they get fail, that's why they stop their effort. Only few people are there. Those don't stop their dedicated effort till they reach in the goal of success. Through where they means repeatedly face failures in the life also, but they did not leave their effort. This is only clearly explained this is lesson. What every successful story is also a story of a great failures. And in this lesson, they told so many like this story. What is the aim of there? The aim of this lesson is to encourage the people don't stop their sincere efforts in the face of failure. That only told in this lesson. And now next one into stanza. Let me share someone's life story with you. This was a man who failed business at the age of 21 and defeated means failed in a legislative, it is the state level, like your in center Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha is there, like this legislature is there in your state level. Race at the age of 22, failed again in the business at the age of 24, overcame means after getting breakdown, he again make him stand. The death of his sweet heart at the age of 26, had the nervous breakdown means depression, got depressed at the age of 27, lost the congressional race at the age of 34. Congress means meeting, representative membership is there. That race also he taken participation and that also he failed. Lost the senatorial race at the age of 5. Like here, Lok Sabha, Raj Sabha is there. Like this, there, Senate is there in America. Failed in an effort to become a vice president at age of 47. Lost a senatorial race at the age of 49 and was elected president of United States of at age of 52. This man was Abraham Lincoln. Now, Abraham Lincoln, he did not leave his sincere effort in the face of failure also. He was keep doing. See how much time he failed. He tried business age of 22. Actually, he was professional lawyer. And after this, he tried business and he went to political field. And he, after that, again business. He failed. And after that, his wife died. And he got depression also. But he overcome all. And after that, he lost the race of vice president also, but lastly in 49 years he again fighted for the senatorial race, but he again lost that. But lastly he elected president of United States in the age of 52. Now what we remember? We remembered only his achievements. He was the 16th president of the United States of America. We are, who is remembering our failures on? Nobody. Just right time in right place. Okay. Now, would you call him failure? That is call you he was failure or he was a successful person? He was a successful person because he could not have quit. Quit means leave or left what their sincere attempt in the face of failure. But the Lincoln defeat means failure, lost, was a detour and not a Deadpool end. He detour means what? Detour means road or route that is used. One usual is close. Means when you go somewhere, which road you follow that is close. Then you stop to go your destination where you want to reach. No, you find to other way to reach their destination. Your destination. That like this. For Lincoln, that was, he failed in business. It was not there. He left everything and he told ki I couldn't do anything. That was not dead end. He was tried to other field. He was keep doing and trying in different field. But he did not leave his sincere effort in the face of failure. And that's why he became successful president of United States at the age of 52. Okay, thank you.